Okay, so question number 12. So number 12 wants you to find a coterminal angle. So guys, coterminal angle just means that they are a circle apart. So they are either 360 degrees apart, or if it's in radians, they're 2 pi radians apart. This question wants you to find your answer between 0 and 360. So that means, in other words, it wants you to find an answer that would be in relation to your unit circle, so on your unit circle. So because we're in degrees, you're going to just do negative 400 plus 360. And if you add 360, that'll give you negative 40 degrees. This answer is still not on the unit circle or close to the unit circle. So if we add another 360 degrees, we're going to end up with 320. So I know that 320 is not actually on your unit circle. That's perfectly fine, but this does fall between 0 and 360, so it's relative to your unit circle. So this would be your coterminal angle.